Are you a civil engineer looking to take your career to the next level in 2025? Want to know the essential skills that will make you stand out in this ever-evolving industry? In today's video, we'll break down the key skills you need to master as a civil engineer in 2025. Stay tuned for the insights that will boost your career. First on our list is advanced knowledge of structural engineering. In 2025, understanding how buildings, bridges, and roads are designed and constructed is crucial. Engineers need to be proficient in structural analysis software like AutoCAD, Revit, and SAP 2000 and understand the principles of load distribution, materials, and safety protocols. Next, mastering civil engineering software is more important than ever. Tools like AutoCAD Civil 3D, Bentley Systems, and Rhino are essential for designing infrastructure projects. Whether it's road design, grading, or drainage, being able to work efficiently with these tools is a must in 2025. Sustainability is a huge focus in the civil engineering world right now. Sustainable design is not just a trend, it's an essential skill. Engineers must understand green building materials, LEED certification, and ways to minimize environmental impact in construction projects. In 2025, data analysis is key. With the rise of big data and IoT in construction, civil engineers need to interpret vast amounts of data to make better decisions. Skills in MATLAB, Python, or Excel are essential for analyzing construction site data, project costs, and timelines. Next, a civil engineer must possess strong construction management skills. As construction projects grow in complexity, engineers are often responsible for overseeing project timelines, budgets, and coordination between teams. Familiarity with project management tools like Procore and Primavera will set you apart. Understanding geotechnical engineering is vital for assessing soil conditions, rock formations, and other underground factors that affect the design and construction of infrastructure. Mastering these skills will allow you to ensure the stability and safety of your projects. Effective communication and collaboration skills are non-negotiable. As a civil engineer, you'll work with architects, contractors, government officials, and clients. Clear communication will help you lead teams, resolve issues, and ensure your projects are completed successfully. In this fast-paced industry, adaptability is key. The best civil engineers are excellent problem solvers. Whether it's dealing with unexpected challenges during construction or adapting to new technologies, being flexible and creative in your solutions will help you stay ahead. Staying up to date with building codes and regulations is essential for ensuring compliance and safety. Knowing local, national, and international codes like IBC, OSHA, and ADA ensures your projects pass inspections and meet all legal requirements. Lastly, engineers must have in-depth knowledge of construction materials and new technologies. From smart materials to advanced construction techniques like 3D printing and robotics, staying current will give you a competitive edge in the field. Mastering these key skills will not only help you excel in civil engineering, but will also position you as a leader in the industry in 2025. If you're looking to boost your career or need personalized guidance, feel free to reach out for consulting or training services.